you're doing. Right. I've been away for a week and we've got 5 boxes. So I know what one of them is, and you might have seen them before if you watched all my videos, but I actually sold them to pay for something. But there we go. Right, let's start this. This one, oh crap in the box. I'm not gonna get it everywhere. I think I know what this is. Looks like it's coming from abroad. The only one that I've been expecting for about a week now it is. Right, put that down. I don't know what that is on the box. Where is it? And I finally have them all now. Sharon and Cooper. The one with the Flash t-shirt. I've got them all now. So let's put them over there. Is this the one on it? No, that's alright, I'm not sure what this one is. One of them actually says on the box. And the other one was special delivery, so I paid for it 2 days ago and it comes today. Starting to get quite quite a nice collection going. I don't have room for them all. Let's just cut the box. I mean that one's oh, that's sick. Well packed. Ship mine. Just want to get in and see what we've got. Double boxed. Okay. There it is. Let's put it shut now. Okay. Someone asked me the other day, what do you collect? I was like, anything that takes my fancy. Ah, thank you, Matt. Get it out. Been collecting, started collecting signed pops. This is Chrome Darth Vader, signed by him. I don't know if you can see. Friend Matt sent me that. Thank you, Matt. Right. This one? I know what this one is, it says right here. Right, how do we open this one? Is it that? It is. Cut the pop. Being lazy. Cut the box instead of. So I admit, most of my collection is Marvel. But the Big Bang Theory, I've got all of them. I've got Marvel. Oh, got some Disney. And a few DC. But might get rid of DC to make room for all the Marvel. Oh, and we have Electro. Glow in the dark. Ooh, bit closer than I thought you were. And Spider-Man. Isn't it? Spider-Man. Lovely. Gotta get some more pop stacks. Pop stacks? Stack pop. Yeah, one of those. Is it this one? This one. Got this big box. Actually, I think I know what this one is as well. As I was on about it. I actually have another set of Big Bang, the original 5. I brought them for a reason. One, I'm gonna see if these are better than mine. And 2, I've technically already sold half of them. And the other couple my friend needs, so it's just I'm gonna just sell them on. At a good price. Howard? do love Big Bang. That's on Netflix. Watch it wherever you are. Amy. And sure there's one more. Ah, Bernie. So now we get to the best box. I didn't actually plan to buy 3 of them off him, but I got a bit carried away, and here we are. Double boxed. Alright, let's do this one first. So this one is Dr. Doom. Now I realised the other day that I didn't actually have the normal Dr. Doom. I've got the black and white and the metallic, I was going to say metallic one. So I thought, alright, next time you see a normal one, go out and buy it. So here we have Dr. Doom, the original one. So here you go, in a trio. The trio's in now. I just really want the Ghost Rider Comic Con one and the Comic Con thing, but yeah, Ghost Rider's not too bad in price. The thing is expensive. But speaking of the thing, okay, thing, orange, number 9, and finally, proper rare one. It's getting harder and harder to find. I sold the original one I had, paid for, this was when I first started collecting, I sold him to pay for Tony Stark. And then I realised how good of a price I got it when I brought him. This one cost me 50-60 quid more. A bit more, was it 50-60 quid? Red Skull. So he's not selling this one, keeping him. Yeah, he's getting really hard to find. You see one if you're in the UK, the price is between £250 and £300 for that one. The thing is between £100 and £150. Doom, I can't remember what Doom is. He's about £50 to £80 at the moment. But Red Skull, there's just one. There's no Comic Con one, but everybody loves him. It's an ugly pop. But if you're a Marvel fan, you need him because it's the first series. I believe that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm only trying to buy, if they got a sticker on them I want them, like Spider-Man I want the Comic Con one, expensive. Wolverine, I do have a Wolverine, I've got, I think it's the brown gloves or brown boots or something. Captain America, I want the Comic Con one. The Hulk, I don't know if they do a different Hulk, but yeah. So there you go, quite a lot. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pops. Expensive week. And we've got more coming next week. Yeah, I'm sure they come every week. I just got to find a place to put them. Alright. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Say subscribe and there'll be more. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, I don't know, by the time this gets uploaded, it'll probably be about 15, 16 videos now. But yeah, cheers. Cheers for watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers.